Alright, so seems like we all packed up except for maybe a few things over there. Sleeping equipment, music equipment, you know. Food, pillow. Hey, you just gotta love moms, eh? Never let you down. Packing has commenced. Gotta get that poop shovel in. Oh yeah. The poop shovel. How's it going, Cops?
I got all. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, Tits.
How's the breeze ski?
Yeah, fantastic.
Hi, Sam.
Last minute shopping trip, eh?
Last minute.
Verdoop! Oh, mooi, the camp cap. It's like our mascot. Can you feel the thorn through your shoes? Hey!
I'm thornless.
Hey! Shame, bro. Oh, £1 off. If you have a smart shopper card. One rand. £1. What a bargain! That's a bargain.
I don't know what it's on.
Hey! Hey! Yo! That's so full.
And then the other side has.
Oh, dude. Dude, that is so full. Yo. First little break. Pit stop, yeah?
Cake time.
Cake time?
Welcome. I can't see Jurassic Park.
Yes! That's perfect.
You YouTube viewer, would you like some biltong?
Would you like some biltong?
Would you like some biltong?
What biltong is it?
Cedar beef chili.
Cedar beef chili?
I know, right?
Oh, it's mooi.
Any baboon comes towards me in the middle of the night. Except on white.
Oh no, the car's stuck.
What are we going to do?
We need to push the car.
It's not working.
Let's bring the muscle.
The brake was on it.
And they're still pushed. Yeah, 2 6-man tents, 1 12-man tent.
package.
Attaboy. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Now it's been home. You were Jaden, that's so cool.
Yes, like such
The gaze bow. Oh dude, this mist is not even, it's so bad, it's not even funny. Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so book.
Jay. But I can't see where to close it.
It rained all night that night. All night long. It was wet.